Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install latest MySQL on your system. So let's start the video. So you can open any of your favorite browser and just type MySQL or MySQL download. And here you can see the search result, which is from official website mysql.com. Just click on this link and here you can see it is showing me link for MySQL community downloads. So I'm just going to click on this link. Okay, so it has redirected me to MySQL community downloads page where it is showing me different connectors available. Also, it is showing me yum repository and MySQL server. So if you want to install for some other operating system, you can go for MySQL community server option. And if you want to install only for Windows, then also this option is going to work. Or you can go for MySQL installer for Windows. This is going to provide you MSI file for Windows machine. And now here you can see it is showing me MySQL installer 8.0.29, which is nothing but current release for MySQL. And here it is showing me MSI installer, and first is web community and second is installer community. So if you select this option, you can install it offline also. And here you can see it is showing me 32-bit. It does not mean it will not work for 64-bit machine. This installer is of 32-bit, but it is going to work on 64-bit machine also. So I'm going to select this option. Let me click on this download button. This is of 439 MB. It has redirected me to this page. You don't have to log in or sign up. Just click on no thanks, start my download. Okay, my download has started, so let's wait for it. You can see here my MSI installer download is done. Now I'm going to simply click on this. Let me minimize my browser. Okay, here it is asking me permission for running my installer file, so I'll just select yes. Okay, you can see my installation is started. Again it's asking me permission. I'll just click on yes option. Okay, so here it is showing me choose the setup type. Here we have various options available: developer, server, client, full, custom. So if you want to install only server, you can go for this option. If you want to install only client, you can go for this option. If you install full MySQL product, then you can go for this option. But I need only 3 for my development purpose. One is Workbench, another is shell, that is nothing but your command prompt, and another is server. So I'm going to select custom option. So now let me click on next button, and here I have to select all that 3 products which I need. So first of all I need MySQL server. So I'm going to select MySQL server. You can see MySQL server 8.0.29 and x64 it is shown. Just add this to product to be installed. And now you need to go to application, and here you need to install Workbench as well as shell. So I'm just going to expand this, and here I will select Workbench, and from shell I'm going to select shell 8.0.29. So these are the 3 products which I required for my MySQL. Now I'm going to click on next button. And you can see it is showing me ready to install, so you have to just click on execute button. Okay, so the product installation has been started. Let's wait. Okay, so here you can see it is showing me status as complete. So my product installation is done. Now next we have product configuration. So for that you need to click on next button. And now here it is showing me ready to configure. So let's click on next button. Okay, so on this step you may require Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio. On my machine I am already having that product, so hence it is not showing me that wizard. If you are installing first time, it may show you that wizard. So you need to install that. I will be giving link of that product in description box, and here you can see it is installing my server on port number 33 8.0.29.06. It looks everything proper, so let's click on next button. Now here it is showing me authentication method, so let's go for the password setting. So here you click on next button, and now here it is asking me MySQL root password. So here you can provide password for your root user. If you don't want to use root user, you can click on add users and provide password for that. I'm going to use root user only, so here just I'm providing password. Okay, so it is showing me password strength as medium. That's okay. You can click on next button. Here it is showing me that MySQL 8.0 will be run as Windows service. So whenever you are starting your system, your MySQL will be started, and under services it will be run as MySQL 8. So now I have to click on next button. Here it is showing me configuration setup. So these are the configuration which will be executed if I click on execute button. So I think everything is perfect. I'll click on this execute button. Okay, so you can see my configuration has been applied to MySQL server, and it is showing me configuration was successful. I need to just click on this finish button. Here it is showing me product configuration complete, so I will be clicking on next button. Here you can see it is showing me installation completed, and here it will start MySQL Workbench as well as MySQL Shell both once I click on this finish button. So let me just click on finish button, and you can see it has started MySQL Shell, and this is what my MySQL Workbench. So you can just click on this root, and you can provide the password which you have entered while installation. Okay, so it has connected to MySQL Workbench. This is a GUI of MySQL server. You can write commands over here also. Now this is showing me MySQL shell. I'll just close this. So I'm going to start MySQL command line. So I'll just type MySQL, and here you can see it is showing me command line client. So let me select that. Here you can enter the password which you have provided for root user. So I'm just going to enter my password. Okay, so you can see it has connected to MySQL. Here you can type the command whatever you want. So let me quickly create one database. Okay, now I'm going to use this database. So use CS corner, and in this I'm going to create a table. Okay, so my table is also created. So this was all about download and installation of MySQL 8.0.29 on Windows machine. I hope if you are following my video, you are successfully able to install it. If yes, then do comment in comment box. And if this video has helped you, be sure to give like to this video. Also, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box. I am going to surely reply to your queries. Thank you friends for watching my video till end. See you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.